Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to allow camera access in Instagram app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments, also put your likes. And come on friends, we are going to get started with you. If you don't have Instagram camera access, then you won't be able to take photos as well as videos through the Instagram app. But it is very easy to fix this. To begin with, you will need to go to Settings on your iPhone. After that, sag to the very bottom. Tap on the App option. Next, in the Apps, you will need to find Instagram. Open it. After that, you will need to find the camera option. And if you have it disabled, like in my case, then just click on the button near the word camera to activate it. Like this. After that, you can go to Instagram and take photos and videos. Another method how you can allow access to the camera is already from the Instagram app itself. To do this, open the application, then go to some of the correspondence. After that, click on the bottom left on that camera sign. And as you can see, you'll get a warning that Instagram can't take photos and videos at this time because it needs to allow access to the camera and the microphone. Next, click Open Settings. And so right away, the Instagram app will take you to the page in Settings on your iPhone that I showed you earlier. Do the same thing, just near the camera, activate this sign. Now you can go back to Instagram. Open the camera and take any photos and videos like in chats with your friends, in group chats, also for your stories or your posts and reels. This is the way, friends, you can easily allow camera access in Instagram app on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And also write your comments and put your likes. Bye bye everyone.